Oof, could be an end room. Right, room 328. Oh, don't tell me I've locked myself out. Panic stations then. Wow, look how high those ceilings are. That's just concrete. Nice little air conditioning unit up there. So we start over here in the kitchen. You got here, got a nice microwave. A bit dark, I've got the under cabinets on, but that's nice. Oof. Plates, wine glasses. Oh, little shot glasses, that'd be nice. The vodka later, maybe. I thought that were a toast. Is it a toaster? Nice tissues. Let's see what this one is. Oh, nice fridge. Oh, it pulls out. Double bin. Some sort of cleaning stuff. Lovely sink. Nice action. Right, oh, bit of a spurt. What's in these then? I'm guessing dishwasher. I don't know because I've already been in. I didn't know Samsung with dishwashers. Small but perfectly formed. Oh, we've got that at home. It's from IKEA, is that? We got over here, we got some sugar, tea. Oh, what are these? Big tea. Morning coffee. Got some morning coffees. Kettle. Let's do what Tim does. Let's have a look. Is it clean? It's pretty clean to me. Now some. Can't bloody get it back in. So the bed section's got these lovely little lamps. I don't think they're adjustable. Light switches, turn lights on and off. Don't know what that is. It's suede or something. The bed's lovely. It's massive. It's got almost like a velour throw on there. Nice. Bit weird how they've done that sheet. If that's the duvet, it's very thin. One pillow and one joust to play gladiators with later. We've got these lovely seats nearby. Nice and plush. Let's have a sit down. That's a big radiator, is that? Is it metal? Ah, makes a nice sound. An area where you can sit, friends and family. Bring some food up from downstairs. Well, this was an issue, but this again is a light switch. Watch. Off. On. So that's how light switches work for this massive light here. Big open wardrobe area. What's this? What's a metal shoe board? Ironing board. No Corby trouser press. What's that down there? Oh, it's an iron. Not seen one of them in many years. Safe at the bottom, which we could call it the ghost safe. It opens itself. Plenty of hangers. Quality ones as well. Another gladiator javelin thing and a pillow. And if we go behind us, this I presume is the bathroom. That's a lovely towel rail. We'll get back to how's that work. I'm sure I'll figure that out. Two lots of toilet roll, must know I'm coming. Nice. Two towels. Bin randomly there. More toilet rolls. Get the toilet. Soft close, yes. Two buttons. Oh, I've not seen that before. Taps are normally there, but it's ever so shiny. Look. And then it just follows up into this big mirror. Body shampoo by Aqua. And there used to be a band that sung Barbie Girl. Space of 1, 2, 3, 4 dressing gowns, or a combo of 2 dressing gowns and 2 towels. It's got a little slope that goes down. 2 shower heads. Lovely stuff. Some more of that Aqua. Isn't it? Yeah, they attach it to the wall so you can't steal it. Good on them. You will come in and got a couple of toilet rolls in there. Let's see the quality. It's not Andrex, put it that way, it's not Andrex. See myself blow drying my hair later. That smells a bit of that later on. It's really, really nice. What we'll do is, we'll come out of the bathroom and we will go up and check out the loft. Let's check out this loft. There's a ladder here. That's quite dangerous. How do you get it? There's a gate, right? On and it's what's the word? It's on a spring. I nearly took that to the face then. That would not have been good. Oh, they've set up the duvet for me, lovely. Just readjusted these lights, they're nice. Could get in your way. Potentially burn your hand. I don't know if you'd let kids sleep up here. I suppose you let them sleep downstairs and the adults might sleep up here. Can't imagine getting down to go to the toilet in the middle of the night would be easy. So there's a gate up here. So yeah, you can't fall down, but if you're small, you can sneak straight through there like a slithery snake. Straight through. I wonder if anyone's ever jumped from there to there. Don't have to turn around. Oh, Jesus. Just got a nice rubber mount on that. I sound like I've been hiking or something. I'm so unfit. And we're down and we survived. Let's try out the main bed. Oh, that's lovely. This is like the little sort of brochure they give you. It says 20 restaurants, 3 bars. So yeah, that's the room. Throw that on there.